Hey guys, this video I am going to show you how you can create poster effect on black screen in CapCut PC. So first one, just going to add this black screen and then just going to add your videos you want to edit. So make it the same length, yes, duration for this black screen. And then just going to select the overlay video and then just going to cut out, select auto cut out just for the and then you are going to um you are going to model plane and then just going to select color dot just for the opacity for the 100%, and then just going to adjust for the brightness, then the contrast, the 9, highlight, shadow, and then illumination. So this the word 0. Okay, here we go. So yeah, basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.